Namaskar. Welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. If we see during past 24 hours visibility, so dense to very dense fog reported over northwest India, especially Amritsar, Batanda, Halwara, Kanpur, Ayodhya, Bareilly, Jabalpur reported 0 meter visibility. Jaipur, Lucknow, Varanasi, Gaya, Raulkela and Khajuraho reported 50 meter visibility. So you can see the visibility table here. And if we see other weather conditions, so cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed in some pockets of East Madhya Pradesh and isolated pockets of West Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar. Cold day condition in isolated pockets of Uttar Pradesh. Cold wave condition prevailed in some pockets of Madhya Pradesh, and light to moderate rainfall, snowfall occurred over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Pakistan, Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh, especially higher reaches. And if we see highlights, so dense to very dense fog conditions during night morning hours likely over Punjab till 27 and over Uttar Pradesh till 23rd and during 25th to 28th, over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi during 24 to 27 with dense fog conditions during morning hours in isolated locations of western Himalayan region including Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand during 22nd to 27, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh during 22nd to 29, over Bihar, Odisha during 22nd to 27, over Rajasthan, North Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, North Madhya Pradesh till 23rd and over Northeast India during 22nd to 25th. Cold day to severe cold day conditions very likely in isolated pockets of East Uttar Pradesh on 22nd. Cold day conditions very likely in isolated pockets of the West Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand on 22nd, that is today, and over Bihar during 22nd to 26th. And if we see synoptics, so we have one western disturbance roughly over Afghanistan and adjacent regions. There is a subtropical westerly jet of the order of 140 knots and a fresh fuel western disturbance likely to affect western Himalayan region on 27th of December. If we see the forecast of minimum temperature, so gradual fall in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius very likely over northwest India for next 3 days. And no significant change in minimum temperature very likely over East India for next 2 days and gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And no significant change in minimum temperature likely over central India during next 24 hours and gradual fall by about 2 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days and thereafter no significant change. Gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over Maharashtra for next 2 days and gradual fall in Gujarat region by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius after 24 hours for subsequent 3 days. And if you see the weather warning, so orange color with the cold day conditions and dense to very dense fog conditions likely over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand and also over Madhya Pradesh, especially in northern parts of Madhya Pradesh, and dense fog conditions over Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, North Madhya Pradesh, North Chhattisgarh, North Interior Odisha and Northeast India. On 23rd, dense fog conditions likely to continue to prevail over Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Northeast India and Odisha, and also cold day conditions over Bihar. On 24th, similar conditions likely to continue to prevail. On 25th and 26th also the same conditions likely to continue to prevail. On 27th, the intensity of fog will reduce and cold day conditions will also reduce and accordingly dense fog condition warning issued for Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh for 27 and 28th of morning and thunderstorm warning for Andaman Nicobar Islands. Regarding impact, so transport and aviation may affect some airports, highways, railways, routes in the areas of dense fog met subdivisions, especially in northern parts of the country, and difficult driving conditions, and unless taken precautionary measures, it may lead to some road traffic collisions. And regarding power sector, chances of tripping of power lines in very dense fog routes. Regarding suggestions, so you should follow the instructions issued by central government, state government, and inquire about your destination or concerned railway or airlines regarding your journey, and be cautious while driving. Use fog lights. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.